Welcome, here I've got SONY Xperia 5.2 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can get closer to my subject and also go back so I can use zoom. To change that function, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and focus on the common settings. Here we have use volume key as option. When we tap on this, we can pick from zoom, which is now, volume or shutter. Now let me change this to the shutter to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera. Let me try to use these buttons once again. And as you can see now, I can easily take a picture by tapping on this. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.